Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a few more packs to open. I was able to find these at a Family Dollar. I was able to find some Unbroken Bonds and some Sun and Moon packs. I don't think I've ever opened Unbroken Bonds, so I'm excited about that. The artwork on them are pretty nice, actually. Especially this Charizard and Reshiram, it's freaking cool. The Machamp looks freaking awesome. So yeah, let's open some of these packs up. Dollar packs. There's only 3 cards inside of them, and hopefully we can get some good pulls. So we'll start with this one. Let's see what we get. We're starting off with a Togepi, Esper, and a trainer card. Cool. Yeah, this one looks cool too. Let's see what we get in here. I've seen videos of other people getting like really awesome cards out of them, so. But they did have to open lots of packs, so maybe we can get lucky. If not, it's okay. Oh, this one looks cool. Triple Energy, Hollow, and that Graveler. Man, the art style on this looks freaking nice. We have an Ekans. Well, that's kind of like a strange artwork on that Ekans. Oh, we got an Aggron. That looks cool. There we go. We got that. And a Fire Energy. Not bad. Alright. We got a Froakie. Ooh, what is this? That looks pretty cool. I don't think I've ever seen this Pokemon. Well, nice. I'll take it. And this Metal Core Barrier. I wish that was holographic. That would have been awesome. Alright. For the last pack, we have a Litten, a Golem, and an Energy. So cool. So far, I mean, we've gotten, I'll take anything holographic, so these are freaking cool. The Aggron looks freaking nice too. And then let's go with the Sun and Moon packs, see what we can get in there. And these packs are stuck. There we go. We have a Shelter, Zubat, and Mean Dog Pokemon. No code on this card, so. Man, these are really stuck together. There we go. Alright. Oh, cool. We have another holographic card. Ribombee. Looks like it's a fairy card or something. And a timer ball. Looks like all of them have these type of cards. It's just like promotional stuff. Alright, let's go to the next one. Alright, we have Yungos, Litten, and a Poison Barb. These cards are actually bent. I don't know if you can tell, but luckily it wasn't anything like holographic that was bent, so it's fine. Another mean dog looking Pokemon. I keep getting a lot of these. Snubble. Oh wow, we got a Corsola reverse holo. Okay, I'll take that. And this alligator Pokemon, Krokorok. Cool. And now for the final pack. Hoping we get something special. These packs are really sealed. Alright, we have a Crabrawler, a Growlithe, and a Passimian. Cool. Looks, I don't even think I've ever seen this Pokemon either. He looks cool. That one could have been a holographic. That would have been nice. But I also noticed that this card is actually bent, so the pack was messed up. So cool. Not bad for dollar packs. All right, bonus time. I have 2 packs. It seemed to be there's 2 packs in each, so I have 4 packs in total of these Sun and Moon Lost Thunder. I managed to pick up 2 of them, so I've never opened any of these also, so let's see what we find in them. Here, let me get this position right. Sun and Moon Lost Thunder. So we got, yep, so 2 packs in that. And so these were $2, just the same thing, $1 a pack, but they just sell them by 2s. But I don't know what's inside of these. I've never really looked at what you can get out of these, so we'll just have to see. Let's start with this one. We're going with a Cyndaquil. I really like this Pokemon. And a trainer card. Cool. Alright, next pack. We have a Scyther, another one of my favorites. Oh, awesome. We get a Blissey holographic. That's nice. And we get a final card, Kirlia. Cool. Alright, 2 more packs left. Come on. I know we can get something awesome. Hey, so far I'm liking all these pulls that we're getting here. I'm just growing my collection, so I've been out of the game for a while and back into collecting Pokemon cards. I like all the designs, the artwork. So I've never seen this Pokemon either, but looks nice. Meryl, another classic, and a green leaf energy. Alright, final pack. Come on. Let's see what we can get out of this one. Starting off with the classic Eevee. Oh, sorry for the camera. Oh, whoa, I've never seen this guy either. Tapa Bulu. Well, I'll take it. Reverse holographic. 130 HP. Nice. And the last card, we got a Memory Energy. So cool. Overall, not bad for dollar packs. We were able to get some good pulls out of them. I'll definitely keep looking out for more packs and dollar packs, doing some more openings. So go ahead and comment, see whatever card you like the best. I'll keep searching for more cards to open and unbox on this channel. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and have a great day. See you in the next video.